Lenkundla yezemidlalo eseBhisho iyakhiwa ngenhloso yokuthuthukisa lonke uhlobo lwezemidlalo njengoba yayizosingatha izinhlobo ezahlukene zemidlalo okubalwa ibhola lomphebezo nelomnqakiswano kepha izinto azihanjiswanga ngendlela efanele ngalomklamo.
And the lawyers further conceded that the grass does not tally with value for money. The investigation also revealed that Sky High lawyers inquired from Sky High why the grass was in this state, and the response they received was that the specification was for imported grass across the field.
Umvikeli womphakathi uyalele undunankulu wesifundazwe ukuthi alandelele ukwehluleka kwengamele umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu esifundazweni uZolile Williams ngokuhlinzeka umbiko ogcwele ishayamthetho kokwakhiwa kwalenkundla.
The Premier of the Eastern Cape Province to take cognizance of the findings and remedial actions, and in line with his executive powers envisaged in Section 125, subsection 2 of the Constitution, exercise oversight on the implementation of this remedial action and recommendations. Ensure that the MEC for COGTA tables the final forensic report by Wesley Pretorius before the provincial legislature in line with sections 133 of the Constitution and 106(1) capital A of the Municipal Systems Act.
Umvikeli womphakathi unxuse ukuthi uWilliams kumele angawabandakanya amakhansela eqokweni kwezinkampani okumele zenze imisebenzi esifundazweni izinsuku ezingamashumi asishiyagalolunye.